Okay, so have you ever felt like just drowning in all this financial data,
Oh, yeah.
but you still can't get a clear picture of how your business is actually doing?
Uh-huh.
You know the information is in there somewhere,
Oh, absolutely.
but actually getting the insights you need just feels impossible.
Yeah. And, it's a super common struggle,
Yeah.
especially when you're dealing with these complex ERP systems like Acumatica.
Right. It's like
It's a lot.
you're searching for a needle in a haystack.
Mm-hmm.
And a lot of businesses just, they lack the tools or the expertise
Yeah.
to kind of like,
To really tailor their financial reporting to what they actually need.
yeah, that's where Tiana Solutions comes in.
Absolutely.
They've helped so many businesses overcome these types of challenges.
Yeah.
And in fact, let's talk about Shib.
Okay.
He's an associate personal consultant at Tiana.
Okay.
And he lives and breathes Acumatica.
Wow.
He's been working with it for 16 years,
Yeah, that's huge.
helping clients unlock those hidden insights.
That's crucial.
Yeah, you need
Someone who actually understands
Yeah.
not just the software, but
Yeah.
how to use it to solve real world business problems.
Right. And that's exactly what he did for this one company that was really struggling to reconcile their inflow and outflow every month.
Yeah, it can be a problem.
Yeah, they wanted to see like a clear reconciled balance,
Yeah.
but there was no standard report in Acumatica
Right.
that could give them that information.
It's a classic case of just needing a custom solution
Mm-hmm.
that goes beyond what's, available out of the box.
Totally. So Shib, he dives into Acumatica
Okay.
and he builds this custom general inquiry.
Oh, wow.
You can think of it like a tailored search engine
Yeah, okay.
for all of your financial data.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, he knew exactly which tables had the important information.
Okay.
Things like CA Recon and CR,
Gotcha.
which hold like all of the reconciled cash receipts and disbursements.
Okay.
By pulling all of this data from those sources,
Mhm.
he was able to create a dashboard tile
Yeah,
that gave the company exactly what they needed.
that's impressive.
Yeah, it's not just like a report.
No.
It's an actual solution.
He understood the problem.
Yes.
And he built a tool to solve it.
Exactly. So now the company could see their reconciled balance
Yeah.
month by month, year by year,
Wow.
however they needed to see it.
That's great.
No more digging through those awful spreadsheets.
Right.
It's such a great example of how real expert knowledge
Mm-hmm.
can just unlock the potential of your ERP system.
Absolutely. This deep dive just shows how important it is to find experts.
Yes.
People who can bridge the gap between what you need for your business
Right.
and the technology that you have.
And so if you're struggling to get the insights you need from your financial data, just remember that custom solutions are possible.
They are.
Reach out to Tiana Solutions at 678-910-2774
Okay.
and let their experts like Shib help you gain a clear picture of your business's financial health.
That's a great idea.
I like it.
Awesome. Yeah. Okay.
Thanks.
Great.